Welcome to my YouTube channel. How to say I want in Igbo language. Achọrọ. Then when you want to form a sentence with I want, you start with Achọrọ, then say whatever you want to do. Achọrọ iri nri, I want to eat. Achọrọ iri nri, I want to eat. Achọrọ ihi ụra, I want to sleep. Or achọrọ ịrahụ ụra, I want to sleep. Achọrọ ịpụ iro, I want to go outside. Achọrọ ịga ahịa, I want to go to the market. Achọrọ ịga ụlọ akwụkwọ, I want to go to school. Achọrọ ịkpọ nne m, I want to call my mom. Achọrọ ịkpọ nna m, I want to call my father. Achọrọ ịkpọ nwanne m, I want to call my siblings. Achọrọ ịhụ gị, I want to see you. Achọrọ ego, I want money. Achọrọ ego, I want money. Achọrọ enyemaka gị, I need your help. Kindly hit the subscription button for more.